How to deposit a check Virgin Money. If you want to deposit a check in Virgin Money, it's actually quite very simple. Make sure that you have got your check ready with you, and I will simply show you the tutorial. First, you launch the Virgin Money app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then simply go to your account or the payments icon that you can find here. So once you come to the payments icon, here you'll find the option called deposit a check. So tap the check button. Now here you can select deposit a check into which account. Select that. Then after you've done that, you have to simply enter the amount that you want to pay in your check and then tap the next option. Allow the Virgin Money app to access your camera. Then after that, simply scan the front side of the check first. After you've scanned the front side, just confirm it and tap the yes icon there. Then after that, you have to turn around and then snap the back side of the check. So after you've snapped the back side, these are the details you will see of the front side, and then after that you can see pay in your check button. And after you've done that, your check is actually being reviewed, and then after that Virgin Money will basically send you and deposit the money to your account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.